The new fuel drill performed every task that we needed it to do. It was very versatile.
When we had to drill our holes from each floor through the wood, it just ate right through it. The power was there. The variable speed was also there that we could use.
For lateral drilling, 2x4s, double 2x4s, we can go through that with 2-inch bit, no problem. And the batteries, it's one battery for the day. It's compact, it fits real nice in between the studs.
I was able to fit in all the small areas that we needed to use it for. The power was just phenomenal.
It's definitely shorter, more compact. The balance is right there where you need it. The power to weight ratio is awesome.
The new Milwaukee drill is definitely faster. I can definitely feel the difference. And you just pull the trigger and it just goes right at it. There's like no wait time, no lag.
The new fuel drill ran at a very fast speed, which was nice because it was easier to get the job done quicker. The new fuel drill is compact, it's powerful, it's versatile. It's about the only tool that you need to get the job done.
Meet the two newest members of BLACK+DECKER's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, BLACK+DECKER's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
Introducing 1,090 inch-pounds of awesome. The XP H07M is the new king of the hammer driver drill category with the most torque in its class. It outpowers, outlasts, and outperforms the rest. With over 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, it outpowers the red and yellow brushless counterparts by up to 382 inch-pounds of torque. It also outlasts the red and yellow brushless drills, powering through 77 holes on a single charge with a new 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. So is it faster? Yes! Drilling into 2x material, it's up to 24% faster than the red and yellow's brushless drills. The hard-working XP H07M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. The XP H07M is powered by the new 4 amp-hour battery that reaches a full charge in 40 minutes or less. That's twice as fast as some of the other 4 amp-hour batteries on the job site, which can take up to an hour and a half to reach full charge. It's part of MAKITA LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new XP H07M is the unmatched, undisputed king of the hammer driver drill category.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense. Till FlexVolt, a new line of DEWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motors that can rip through all commonly used materials. Along with the features you expect from DEWALT, like a Perform and Protect e-clutch system and a bright LED work light. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done. And a battery that adds runtime to existing DEWALT 20-volt max tools. All part of the most powerful cordless system we've ever created. Flexible, power of corded, freedom of cordless. Built, guaranteed tough by DEWALT.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. Delivers the power demanded by the user with a high-performance motor and 2-speed gearbox. Easily transition from drill to hammer mode for concrete, brick, and block applications. Hammer mechanism powers through material at 27,200 beats per minute. Half-inch metal ratcheting chuck minimizes bit slippage, and a 22-position clutch provides control during various fastening applications. LED work light brightens dark work areas. Additional features include battery fuel gauge, belt clip, and 2 magnetic bit clip holders. New 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour batteries delivers up to 33% more runtime. 20-volt max system also offers 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max hammer drill provides the power, durability, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. The Porter Cable 20-volt max system delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance